If the world were to face a hypothetical zombie apocalypse, it would likely have devastating consequences for humanity. Here are some possible outcomes. Rapid spread of infection. Zombies typically spread their infection through bites or scratches. If the virus causing the zombie outbreak is highly contagious and has a short incubation period, it could quickly spread across the globe. Breakdown of society. As the zombie outbreak spreads, chaos and panic would likely ensue. People may turn on each other in a bid for survival, leading to widespread violence and looting. Essential services such as hospitals, law enforcement, and utilities could quickly become overwhelmed or non-existent. Scarcity of resources. With infrastructure and supply chains disrupted, food, water, and other necessities would become scarce. This would lead to further conflict and competition for resources. Loss of life. If left unchecked, a zombie outbreak could lead to a significant loss of life. Zombies are typically portrayed as being difficult to kill and able to infect others even after they have been injured, making them a formidable foe. Potential for a cure. In some fictional accounts of zombie outbreaks, scientists are able to develop a cure or treatment for the virus. However, this would require significant resources, expertise, and cooperation from the remaining survivors. Overall, a zombie apocalypse would be a catastrophic event for humanity. It is important to note, however, that such an outbreak is purely hypothetical and not based on any scientific evidence. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.